Now we'll see to find the magnetic moment of a revolving electron. Okay, so you know that electrons are revolving around the nucleus, and especially for the hydrogen atom. Okay, so we will be restricting our discussion up to this for hydrogen atom. So you know that magnetic moment formula, magnetic moment is equal to current into area of the loop. Okay, so you can consider electrons to be revolving in a particular orbit around the nucleus. So in the hydrogen atom we are having, the nucleus is having how much? One, that is one proton, so plus E electron you can say, and we have the electron here revolving around the nucleus. Okay, so this is E minus is revolving, and say we have the particular radius, R is the radius of the path, and what we have here, we have the tangential velocity of the electron, that is equal to V we are having. So these things are given to you for the hydrogen atoms, and we have to find the magnetic moment of a revolving electron. So magnetic moment, by the formula of magnetic moment, let you can say mu L is the magnetic moment mu L is the magnetic moment of revolving electron. Then you can say this mu L is equal to you can say the magnitude of the mu L is equal to current into area. What is current? Current here, this current is equivalent current that is flowing in the orbit, equivalent current that is flowing in this orbital path due to the motion of the electron, due to the revolution of the electron. What is the current that is flowing? That current is actually I. And what is area? Area is this current is flowing in a loop, this forms a loop. So the area means this area of this particular loop is known as that area. So you can find current. How you can find current? Current can be found by E upon T. What is E? E is the charge of the electron. What is the T? T is the time taken by electron to complete one rotation. So the electron is completing one rotation, so the charge is revolving one rotation. So what is the time required for revolving one rotation? Okay, T is the time required for one revolution. Now you see velocity is V, it is given to you. Then you can find time is, what is the distance? Whole distance, that is the circumference, that is how much? 2 pi r. And distance upon क्या होता है? Velocity होता है ना. This is equal to, time is equal to 2 pi r upon v, because v is the tangential velocity. You divide it, you will get this thing. So from this t, if you substitute here, then you are able to get E upon your 2 pi r upon v, that is equal to E into v upon your 2 pi r. So this you got for the current. E into v upon 2 pi r you got for the current. And then if you substitute the value of current here, then you can get the value of mu L is equal to this E into v upon 2 pi r into your area. What is the area of this loop? Because the electron is moving like this, so what you expect the direction of current? The direction of current will be opposite to the flow of electron. That is, this can be considered as a current loop. What is the current? E into v upon 2 pi r, and this is the magnetic moment, that is equal to EV. I is equal to EV by 2 pi r into area. Area is how much? It is pi into r square. If this pi gets cancelled, r gets cancelled. So you can say this is equal to ERV, okay, or you can say EVR upon 2. Okay, we are getting here EVR upon 2. Now see, if you just multiply and divide ME up and down, means in the numerator as well as in the denominator, if you multiply by ME, then you can write down this mu L is equal to MEVR अपॉन ट्वाइस ऑफ ME. कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला है? देखो यहाँ पर ME क्या हो गया? कैंसिल आउट हो गया. तो ये वाला जो पूरा एक्सप्रेशन है एम ई वी आर, इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग, एंगुलर मोमेंटम बोलते हैं। ये आपका क्या है, मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, एंगुलर मोमेंटम। तो इसको अपन ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं ई अपॉन टू एम ई, और साथ में क्या बोल सकते हैं, एंगुलर मोमेंटम ऑफ द रिवॉल्विंग इलेक्ट्रॉन। सो एंगुलर momentum, okay, it is known as the angular momentum of the revolving electron. Now if you put in the vector wise, see the electron is moving like this, the current is moving like this, then you will take your right hand palm and it will just the curling fingers will give the direction of current, then use a thumb will give the direction of magnetic moment. Okay, so the magnetic moment is pointing that side, but due to the revolving electron, you all know in class 11 we have studied L is equal to R cross P in the chapter of your rotational motion. Okay, R cross P, R cross linear momentum is here and R is there. You rotate the vector from R cross P, then you have to your rotation will be such that it will come out of the page. So the angular momentum is coming out and the magnetic moment is going inside, so they are opposite in sign. So in vector form you can write, in vector form we can write that म्यू एल का जो वेक्टर है दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस ई अपॉन टू एम ई इंटू एल का वेक्टर, ऐसे अपन इसको लिख सकते हैं। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट, यू नो। नाउ अभी क्या होता है, नाउ आई एम रबिंग दिस पार्ट एंड आई विल जस्ट गो इन कंटिन्यूशन। नाउ यू सी देयर इज अ टर्म दैट इज नोन एज दिस म्यू एल अपॉन एल का जो मैग्नीट्यूड का रेशियो है, इन दोनों का रेशियो है, ये क्या मिलता है, ई अपॉन टू एम ई। तो ऐसे रेशियो को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, गायरोस्कोपिक, है ना, इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग गायरोमैग्नेटिक रेशियो, गायरोमैग्नेटिक है ना, इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग, मैग्नेटिक रेशियो। ऐसे रेशियो को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, गायरोमैग्नेटिक रेशियो। और इसकी वैल्यू, इलेक्ट्रॉन की चार्ज डाल दो, मास डाल दो, और इसकी वैल्यूज अगर कैलकुलेट करते हो तो इसकी वैल्यूज आती है 8.8 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 10 कूलम्स पर केजी, इसकी वैल्यू आती है। अभी अपन चलेंगे, वी विल गो फर्दर टू फाइंड दिस एक्चुअली व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ म्यूएल, है ना, म्यूएल का जो एक डेफिनेट वैल्यू में हम लोग पहुंचेंगे। नाउ सी, नाउ वी नो दैट नाउ वी हैव म्यू एल का जो मोड होता है, मतलब मैग्नीट्यूड होता है, वो E अपॉन टू एम ई इंटू एल का मैग्नीट्यूड। सो यू नो फ्रॉम द बोहर्स सेकेंड पोस्टुलेट, from Bohr's BOHRS second law, you can say second law, we have angular momentum is equal to integral multiple of Planck's constant divided by 2 pi. This all thing we have studied in chemistry. Yes, तो एंगुलर मोमेंटम क्या होता है, n इंटू एच अपॉन एल, एल का मॉड कितना होता है, n इंटू एच अपॉन टू पाई, जिसकी जगह अपन डाल सकते हैं तो म्यूएल का वैल्यू जो मैग्नीट्यूड कितना होगा, e अपॉन टू एम ई इंटू योर n इंटू एच अपॉन टू पाई। तो यहाँ से n को बाहर ले लो, n इंटू ई इंटू एच अपॉन 4 पाई एम ई, ये आता है। दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ योर मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट ऑफ द रिवॉल्विंग इलेक्ट्रॉन। नाउ फॉर n इज इक्वल टू 1, for n is equal to 1, mu L is minimum. Okay, what is the value of mu L calculated for n is equal to 1? For n is equal to 1, mu L is minimum, and this minimum value of mu L, that is the minimum value of the magnetic moment of the revolving electron, is known as Bohr magneton. So for put here, put n is equal to 1, so you can say mu L, इसका जो minimum value है, mean value is equal to, it is minimum value because n is equal to 1 2 3 4 पढ़ेगा, तो n is equal to 1 के लिए क्या होता है, mu L की वैल्यू क्या होगी, मिनिमम होगी। तो mu L मिनिमम is equal to E into H upon 4 pi m E, और इसकी वैल्यू अगर रखते हो पूरा, तो दिस वैल्यू कम्स टू बी, आई थिंक सो this value is coming to be something like 9.27 into 10 to the power minus 24 ampere into meter square. ठीक है, this is the value of the minimum magnetic moment of the electron that is revolving around the nucleus in the case of hydrogen atom, and this value is known as Bohr magneton. This is known as the Bohr magneton. Okay, it is clear to you?